Parang ano eh. Parang ayaw pa rin maniwala ng boss ko na palis ko eh. So, if I keep this toy,
Robert drawing something. What is that? Zoom. I think it's Teriyaki Boy doing something.
yun ako, super daming project. Ito nakakatawa, super dami namin projects that all depends on me for success. Everything kasi nag-concepts ako eh. Yung art concepts talaga ako, and then they all base the promotions on that
Is
concept.
that a Teriyaki Boy plan?
Ha?
Zoom again. Zoom. Mukha siyang frog.
Alam ko, kamali ako.
Pero cute pa rin. Aha! He's eating ramen.
Yeah, remind me on the next opening to invite you.
Ay, hindi mo na makita.
Ha?
Oo.
Kasi pag opening tapos let's say, naging generous ng konti yung boss namin, pinayagan ako, I just bring a guest, mga 3 maximum, and then eat all we can.
That's why I usually eat in Teriyaki Boy for free.
Kaswerte kasi to. Ayan.
Tsaka si Gil. Kapatid niya. Ang cute!
Kulang sa taba. It has to be bigger.
Yay!